North and South Korea have traded missiles in an escalation of hostilities between the two countries. Seoul described an overnight barrage of North Korean ballistic missiles as territorial encroachment, with some of the missiles landing less than 100 kilometres from South Korea's coast.
Alarms were sounded across the South Korean island of Ulong as residents were issued a rare warning to head for underground shelters. It followed the launch of a number of ballistic missiles by North Korea, some of which had landed 160 kilometres from this island. Others landed even closer to South Korean territory, with one plunging into the sea 60 kilometres off the country's coast. Seoul described the missile strikes as territorial infringement and vowed a swift and firm response. Within hours, South Korea had dispatched warplanes, firing air-to-ground missiles. North Korea said its launches were in response to large-scale military exercises, currently being held by South Korea and the United States. Dubbed Operation Vigilant Storm, the US has defended the drills as purely defensive, but Pyongyang has called them aggressive and provocative, and warned that South Korea would pay what it called the most horrible price in history if the exercises continued. This latest ramping up of hostilities comes as North Korea has already tested a record number of missiles this year, with officials in Seoul and Washington saying Pyongyang has completed technical preparations which would allow it to conduct a nuclear weapons test for the first time since 2017. Fiona Mitchell, RTE News.